Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we'll discuss about another Java problem. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So now I will write the problem statement. So the problem statement is a user need to take an user input and need to take an array of size and need to take an array of size and so user need to check the pairs in the array that is equal to equal to equal to k equal to k. So here user need to take an user input k, right? So user need to take user input n, an array of size n, and the user input k, and user need to check the pairs in the array that is equal to k, that is equal to pair. So finally, user need to print the pairs. Print the pairs. I hope you understand. Which means, for example, I have given n is equal to 6, right? N is equal to 6. And I will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I am giving k value as 8. As 8, right? So in this, I have to find like any two pairs, like any two numbers, when you add it, you have to get 8, right? Any two numbers, when you add it, you have to get the 8. So what are those numbers? See here, we are having 3 and we are having 5, right? So what are the numbers? 3 and 5. And after that, 3 and 5. And we are having 5 and 3, right? 5 and 3. 6 and 2, right? 2 and 6, right? Yeah, 3 and 5. 3 and 5, 2 and 6. And is there any combination? 1 and 4, 6 and 2. And 6, 3 will not work. 6, 1 will not work. 6, 3 will not work, right? 6, 2 will work. 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 will not work. Likewise, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, it will work. And after that, 5, 4, it will not work. And no. So 4, 3, not work. 4, 2, not work. 4, 1. Right? Like this, we'll be having 5 and 3. So like this, you have to identify the pairs. Identify the pairs in the array. Let's see how many are there in the array. Let's write the program. So import java.util.star, and I'll write scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in and int n is equal to sc dot next int, and int array of is equal to new int of size n, and I will take for loop which starts with 0, which ends with n, and it will give I plus plus. And after that, I will read the values in the array. Array of I is equal to sc dot next int, array of next int, right? So after that, I have to take a k value, we have to equal to it, right? So that's why I'm taking the k value, right? And after that, I will use the nested loop. I will use the nested loop, which starts from 0, which is a less than n, and I plus plus. And after that, I'll take another for loop, which starts with j is equal to a 0, j less than n, and j plus plus. Right? So here I will check if array of I plus array of j is equal to k, is equal to k, then I have to print the elements. I have to print the elements. So what are the elements? Which is array of I plus, I'll give some space here, and I'll give array of j. So that's it. The program is completed. So what I have written? So I have written the for loop, which I starts from 0 and I less than n, right? So it will travel up to n. So each time when like what for nested for loop will do, when I is equal to 0, I will give 1, right? 1. So in j, when j is equal to 0, when j is equal to 0, we will having 1, right? So we'll check 1 plus 1. Will it be 8 or not? No. And after that, 1 plus 2, will it be 8 or not? No. 1 plus 3, will it be 8 or not? No. 1 plus 4, will it be 8 or not? So likewise, it will check. It will check each and every number, and it will return the pairs. It will return the pairs in the array. I hope you understand. So when I is equal to 0, I will check with 1 the entire array. And when I is equal to 1, I will check with 2 the entire array. When I is equal to 2, I will check with 3 and with the entire array, and I will check whether this k element 8, right? The k element is 8. So whether this array of I plus array of j, whether it is equal to or not. If it is equal, I have to print the numbers, right? Array of I and array of j. The current index value will print it. It will print it. So I hope you understand. I hope you understand this nested loop. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please do subscribe to my channel, and please like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please ring the bell icon, then only you get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.